Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you another purchase from Garden Winds. In this video, I will unbox and set up my replacement cushion for my swing. Now this is the first time purchasing a replacement cushion. Prayerfully it fits just as nice as the CANOPIES fit. So let's get started. As you can see, the replacement cushion is well made and very plush. It looks exactly like the original. If you haven't already, check out my video, The Perfect Replacement Canopy. In that video, I not only do an unboxing and setup, but at the end I share step by step how to order your specific replacement piece from the Garden Winds website. Just in case you're wondering, the old worn cushion was removed last fall before storing the frame in the shed over the winter. I trust this video was informative. If you haven't already, check out the other videos in the spring edition of my lawn care and backyard series. A suggested video link to this series has been placed throughout this video in the upper right hand corner of your screen. I have also placed thumbnail links to the series at the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Until next time, be blessed.